Does that say 30 minutes, Space Mountain? No way. I think we'll go on Space Mountain. Yep, it's 30 minutes.
The second best Space Mountain?
First best Space Mountain.
I don't know.
The rough Space Mountain. The scarier Space Mountain.
France has a leash.
Oh, yeah, besides France.
Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in launch.
Brennan, make sure you save your ice. This is scary.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe Space Mountain, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers should not ride, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirement may not ride. Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you. Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark.
ball pit. I don't think they're ball. I don't think they're like plastic balls. I think they're glass. You jump in there and you just get all cut. Oh, they're going to this exit. This exit until they open up until they redo the other entrance, the other exit.